Do you want to know how I'm using Etsy to profit handsomely with my Shopify store? Then watch this video and find out.
Level up our lifestyle if we love the game.
Hey everyone, Adrian Morrison here, and today I'm going to show you how you can use the power of Etsy to launch a wildly profitable e-commerce store without actually selling on Etsy. But first, I want you to take a look at the surrounding here. I'm not in my typical studio with the TV screen. I'm actually at my summer home in Alice Beach. This is where I come and I spend the summers and still run my internet marketing businesses. And right now we are in the courtyard, so I hope you enjoy the view. And if you are a first-time viewer on this channel, I think you're in the right place. If you're learning how to make money online, if you're learning how to do e-commerce and you're learning how to launch a business on the internet, that's what I teach, and I drop free videos every week. So smash the subscribe button and make sure that you watch all of my videos. Now look, I think that Etsy is an amazing platform and it's helped a lot of people. But if you really want to build a long-term dropshipping business that can actually scale, well, you need to build your own store on a platform like Shopify and utilize some of the features of Etsy that I'm going to show you in today's video. Listen, Etsy is still one of the best places that I know to find hyper profitable products that are going viral. And on today's video, I'm going to show you some of the specific elements that you should be looking for so you're not just, grabbing a dud off the shelf. So let's get into it. But first, let's talk about why you'd want a Shopify store over an Etsy store. And there's a few reasons, so I'm gonna keep this simple. First, with an Etsy store, you're competing against every single other vendor on the Etsy website. Even if you're on a specific listing, Etsy's going to show your ads and related products from other vendors. So while it might be a good place to start, it's not a scalable method long term because they're always cross-promoting your competition. Second, and this is the most important, while Etsy does allow you to build your email list unlike Amazon, people don't really think they're buying from you. They think they're buying from Etsy. So getting marketing emails from your personal store can be super confusing to customers. That's why I much prefer just building my own brand in my own store and sending people there. That's going to result in more opens to your emails, more clicks, and inevitably more sales. All right, so how do we actually use Etsy to our advantage? First thing to do is head over to Etsy.com and just click on the search bar. Yeah, just click it. When you do this, you're going to immediately see a list of items that are popular right now. Unlike Google or Amazon, these aren't products that are popular based on your personal search history, but they're products that a lot of people are searching for right now. That seriously makes this one of the most powerful search bars on the planet for e-commerce marketers and dropshippers. Now, if you have no idea where to start, this is a really good place. But if you have an idea what niche you want to be marketing in, like pets or beauty products, you can use those types of keywords to type in the search bar as well. The second thing that you need to do is once you put in a niche or product, you want to scroll until you find a product that you'd actually see on AliExpress or Zendrop or any other dropshipping site. I mean, obviously there's a lot of handmade items on Etsy, and our goal is to find something that we don't have to personally make and that we can automate and dropship. All right, now the third step is to look at the reviews. My secret for this is to look at the price of the product and then multiply that by the number of reviews. If the math comes out to a six-figure product, well, you know that you've got a wildly successful product that people actually love. So please make sure that you use that one little hack when you're looking for products on Etsy, because it's going to tell you if the product is actually working. The other great thing about Etsy is that once you've found a product that you want to promote, you get an idea from the seller's listing on what kind of photos work well, what to put in your product description that gets it to convert, how much you should actually charge for the product, and even reading the reviews will give you an idea about why people bought the product. Seriously, this site has a wealth of knowledge to help you find viral products to sell if you use it the right way. But if you want even more help on getting your store set up, finding viral products, using Facebook ads to advertise the right way, hit the link below in the description for a completely free case study where I walk you through a $100 a day dropshipping blueprint and how you can snag my Ecom Quick Start program for less than the cost of dinner for two. So check it out below. Let me know what you think. Leave comments. Did you enjoy today's video? Have you been leveraging the power of Etsy to launch your own dropshipping store? And again, if you need help launching your own Shopify store, finding products, and you want to see how I launched a 7-figure store, and you want to see a 1-step, 2-step, 3-step blueprint on how you can duplicate my entire process, literally copy and paste my funnel, click that link below in the description, and you can check out my e-com quick start program. Remember, like, subscribe, comment below, and I'll see you on next week's video.